Hello students, today we are going to discuss sixth numerical of indeterminacy of frames. Question is written as find the static indeterminacy of the given structure. Okay, we need to find the total static indeterminacy of this given structure. Now there is one internal hinge at the top portion. Okay, and we just name all the supports as A, B and C. Now at support A there will be fixed support, and at B there will be hinge support, and at C there will be roller support. Now if you want to calculate the total static indeterminacy of this frame, then it will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy. Now for the determination of external static indeterminacy, the formula is R minus AS, where R is the number of support reaction and S is the number of equilibrium condition. Always in case of frame, the equilibrium condition will be 3. Now, for the calculation of external reaction, we know that due to fixed support at A, there will be 3 reactions, that is vertical reaction, horizontal reaction and movement. Now at B, there will only be 2 reactions, that is vertical reaction and horizontal reaction. And at C, due to roller support, there will only be 1 reaction, that is vertical reaction. Now if you do the sum of all these reactions, then it will be equals to 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So the value of R will be equals to 6. Now if you just put this value of R and S here, then the total external static indeterminacy will be equals to 3. That will be the value of DSE, that is the external static indeterminacy. Now if you want to calculate the value of internal static indeterminacy, then its formula will be equals to what? 3C. Now due to presence of internal hinge in this frame, we need to modify the formula of internal static indeterminacy, and we need to subtract here the internal hinge value. Okay, the internal hinge value. Now here the C is the number of cut required to open the loop. There will be 2 cuts required to open the loop, so the value of C will be equals to 2. Now we know that for the subtraction of internal hinge value, we will subtract the value, that is the number of members connecting at the internal hinge minus 1. Now in this internal hinge, or at this internal hinge, there will only be 2 members connecting at that internal hinge, so the value will be equals to what? 2 minus 1. So it will be equals to 6 minus 1, and the value of internal static indeterminacy will be equals to 5. Okay, now we had calculated the external static indeterminacy as well as the internal static indeterminacy. Now if we want to calculate the static indeterminacy, then it will be the sum of external static indeterminacy and the internal static indeterminacy, then its value will be equals to 8. That will be the total static indeterminacy of this frame shown in the question. Okay students, we had completely solved this question. Thank you very much.